Hello dear students. Dear students, in this lecture we are going to learn about the word let, different uses of let. Actually, the word let can be used as a verb, it can be used as a noun, and as a noun it can be used as a singular and as a plural. So let's start to learn about different uses of let with your easy teacher. The first main use of the word let is it is used for permission. For example, I let him play here. It means I allowed him to play here. My parents did not let me go alone. It means my parents did not permit me to go alone. Third is my brother will let me watch a movie. It means my brother will allow me to watch a movie. Next is let him go home. This is an imperative sentence because let as a verb has been used at the beginning of the sentence. But let is giving here too the meaning of permission. Let him go home means allow him to go home. The second main use of let is it is used for suggestion. Like let's go for a walk, it means we should go for a walk. It is giving the meaning of suggestion. Let us hear a tale. Here again let's is giving the meaning of suggestion. Let us play together. It means we should play together. Here again let has been used for suggestion. The third main use of let is it is used to make polite offer to help someone. For example, let me help you with those packages. It means I want to help you with different packages. So let word has been used here to make polite offer to help. The next is let me do that for you. It means I want to do something for you. It means I want to help you. So let is giving here the meaning to offer to help someone. The next use of let is it is used to introduce a polite request. For example, please let me know what you decided. It means I want to know. Please tell me what have you decided. Here let is giving the meaning of polite request. Please tell me. I request you, please tell me what have you decided. So let is giving the meaning of polite request. Next is let me start by saying how happy I am to see you here. It means I am very happy to see you here. It is again giving the meaning of polite request. It means please, I request you, I want to say I am very happy to see you here. So in these two sentences let is giving to introduce a polite request. The next main use of let is it is used to express a warning. For example, just let her try to do it again. It means she will not do it again. If she will do it again, she will have to face the circumstances. It means this let is giving the meaning of warning. Second is just let me reach there, I will see you. It means when I reach there, I will see you. Here again let is giving the meaning of warning. So let is also used to give a warning to any person. The next main use of let is it is used to express rent. For example, we have rooms to let. It means we have rooms for rent. This new house is to let. This new house is for rent. That flat lets for 10,000 rupees a month. It means that the rent of that flat is 10,000 rupees for a month. Here in these sentences, in these three sentences, let has been used as the substitute of the word rent. Dear students, let can be used as phrasal verb. Just like let down. I never let down my friend in need. Let down means disappointment. Let off, the police officer let her off with just a warning. Let off mean to allow, to permit. Let on, I am getting married, please don't let on to anyone. Let on means to tell a secret to anyone. Next is let out. They let the prisoner out. Here let out means to release. Let up, we cannot let up. Now a lot of work is pending. Let up means to stop. It means we cannot stay here now because we have to do so much work which is pending. So let can be used as a phrasal verb as in these sentences has been used. Dear students, as I had told you at the beginning of this lecture, let can be used as a noun. So now we are going to learn how let can be used as a noun. Dear students, as a noun, let can be used as a singular, as a plural. As a singular, it is used as let, and as plural, it is used as lets. A let is a serve that strikes the net before falling into the receiver's court. The ball must be served again. Volleyball player can understand it easily that what it means. Actually, this serve is a let. Thank you very much.